Hi everybody, it's Tina here at DeBoer's Auto, and I want to talk about something simple but life-saving on your vehicle that you should keep on top of when it comes to your maintenance, and that is your wiper blades. Are you having trouble seeing clearly even though the rain is gone every time your wiper blade swishes up and down? It might be that your wiper blades aren't effective anymore. So, what do you need to do? Wiper blades are your first line of defense, especially when some of these heavier storms come through, no matter what the season is. Clear visibility is equivalent to safe driving. So in order for you to make sure that you're having clear visibility, your first thing you should look at are your wiper blades. People tend to leave their wiper blades on for longer periods of time than they should. And that's probably not a great decision. And there are several reasons why. The front of your vehicle takes the brunt of not just rain, snow, or anything like that. It also takes the brunt of road debris that's kicked up by vehicles in front of you. So your wiper blades, even if they are relatively young, they can often become damaged as the result of some of the grit and things that get on your windshield, and then they have to wipe that off. So it's really important that every single maintenance you have an ASE certified tech check your wiper blades to make sure that they're still in good condition. So what happens to your wiper blades overall as they're being used? It's not just environmental conditions and road driving conditions that can cause your wiper blades to wear out pretty quickly. It's also exposure to the elements. Rubber on the wiper blades tends to dry out pretty quickly. Your vehicle is in all sorts of different elements and conditions all day that you're not in. Your vehicle's outside in the sun and rubber dries out in those conditions. If we're having a bit of a dry spell, that dry spell can dry out your rubber as well. The symptoms that you're going to experience when that happens is you're going to have hazy view through your windshield even when your wipers are working. The wipers themselves will look like they are dry and cracked. There's going to be chattering if they can't make good contact with your windshield. So I think we've all experienced that annoying chattering before. And sometimes, depending on the road debris that hits the top of your vehicle, you can get wiper blades arms that get bent. This can also happen when you're clearing off your vehicle in the wintertime. If one of the tools you're using to clear off your snow and ice on there accidentally hits those wiper arms, it can cause it to bend, and those should be checked on a regular too. Are you unsure if your wipers need to be replaced? Come on down to DeBoer's Auto. We have several ASE certified technicians that will inspect your vehicle, check your wiper blades, take pictures, and show you why your wiper blades should be upgraded to a brand new set so that you have great visibility in any season. We look forward to seeing you.